If you're having trouble trying to get into your Adobe Illustrator and the interface is a little bit different than what you're used to, just remember it shows you, once you first launch, it shows you all the documents that you recently worked on. And if you click on them, it'll tell you, when they're last open, the size, the kind. You can filter your recent files. You can create a new one. And if you create a new one, you can go in this, there's your document, new document setup. You can apply all the preset details here, these default to certain, whatever you worked on last for the most part. So assuming we're going to create a new print document, we'll say create. Now you're thinking, okay, well, this is fine and dandy, but I want different specifications. So that's going to be just fine too. I'm going to close these things. The new specifications would be located under Document Setup and then Edit Artboards. That brings you right, oops, sorry about that, frustrating. Brings you right into the width and the height of the document. And then once you're happy, you just get out of it by clicking another tool. If you want to change anything, you go to File, Document Setup, and then there you go. These are the same types of things that you have in the new document. Your bleed, your inches, edit artboards, you can go back in there, again, get out of there, you click right in your tools. So File, Document Setup. If you want to change the color mode, File, Color Mode from CMYK to RGB. Edit artboards again, so there's a lot of options, a lot of things that you can do here that are just like creating a file, new document, print. All your specifications are right here. Advanced options brings you down to color mode. So this is your interface, a little bit different from a couple versions ago. Obviously, we can also go to preferences right from the control bar. And in this way, again, you can master the different preferences for your interface, user interface, if you prefer a lighter user interface, a darker user interface, things of that nature. Okay. So I hope this helps you as you begin to navigate. You can position all of your artboards in different ways dependent on what you have up here. And then this is quick access to Bridge and also Adobe Stock.